When you search for the best push blocks for table saws, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Zebek Push Block. The Zebek Push Block caught my eye with its combination of safety and versatility, priced at $35.99. If you want to enhance your control while cutting, this is worth a serious look. This push block is designed to keep your hands at a safer distance from the blade, which is crucial when you're working with narrow or small pieces of wood. It offers a cutting accuracy of 1/4 inch, reducing kickback and maintaining stable feed. The high-friction rubber base means you can achieve smooth, precise cuts without slipping. Plus, the ergonomic handle allows for comfortable grip and better downward pressure, minimizing fatigue during long cutting sessions. With over 1,100 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear many woodworkers appreciate this tool. Now, some users mention that the assembly can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, the performance is worth the initial hassle. If you're looking for a push block that makes you feel safer while working on your projects, this one is definitely worth considering. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional woodworker needing reliable control. Skip this one if you prefer more complex setups or have no patience for assembly. For the price, this push block really delivers great value. Now, if you're after something a bit more adjustable, the next option might be right up your alley. Product number 2, Milescraft Grabber Pro. Next up is the Milescraft 3406 Grabber Pro, priced at $30.46. The first thing I noticed was its fully adjustable legs, which really stood out. If you want customization in your cuts, this is a solid choice. This push block helps reduce kickback significantly by maintaining contact on both sides of the blade as you pass over your cut. The adjustable legs let you customize it for any job, ranging from 1/8 inch to 1 inch, so whether you're making thin strips or larger cuts, it has you covered. Its premium design helps keep the material stable, which is crucial for clean, accurate cuts. With a remarkable 4.8-star rating from nearly 2,000 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among users. However, some people found the parts challenging to store because of their size and shape. But honestly, if you have a workshop where organization is key, this tool is easy to keep handy and out of the way. This is perfect for you if you value safety and customization in your woodworking tools. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward, non-adjustable option. At this price, you're getting a lot of features for your money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, Milescraft Safety Bundle. The Milescraft 7334 Safety Bundle is next, coming in at just $26.99. This bundle really caught my attention with its extra features. If you want a comprehensive safety kit, this is definitely worth considering. This package includes a feather board, a grabber push block, and a push stick. The extra tall push stick ensures you're at a safe distance from the blade. With a solid 4.6-star rating from over 1,100 reviews, it's a well-rounded choice for any woodworker. However, some users felt the feather board didn't hold as much tension as they expected. Here's the thing though, if you're using it on smaller projects, it still does the trick without any issues. This is perfect for you if you want a complete set of tools to enhance your safety while working. Skip this one if you already have similar tools or prefer standalone options. For the price, it's a great deal for the safety features it offers. Now, if you're looking for something that really focuses on grip and control, the next product is definitely worth a look. Product number 4, MICROJGGRR Ripper 2 Go. Next, we have the MICROJGGRR Ripper 2 Go for $29. This one really impressed me with its strong grip technology. If you want superior control in your cuts, you should consider this. Designed to virtually eliminate kickback, this tool features a precision leg and tunnel system that feeds both sides of your material. The non-slip surface offers strong gripping power, essential for maintaining control during more delicate operations. With a 4.7-star rating from nearly 1,000 users, it seems to be a hit. However, some users found it slightly bulky for certain small projects. But honestly, once you get used to its size, the benefits far outweigh this minor issue. This is perfect for you if you want a tool that allows for precise, thin cuts safely. Skip this one if you frequently work on ultra-small pieces where space is a concern. For what you're getting, it's a solid investment in safety and accuracy. Now, if you want something that goes even further with adjustments, the last product on our list might be just what you need. Product number 5, GRR Ripper Plus by Microjig. Finally, we have the GRR Ripper Plus by Microjig, which is a bit pricier but absolutely worth considering. It's packed with features for maximum safety, especially priced at $10. This product really shines in preventing kickback. The GRR Ripper Plus comes with an enhanced safe rip kit that guarantees precise material handling, which keeps your hands well away from the blades. You can rip down to 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch with surgical accuracy. This product has a 4.7-star rating with hundreds of reviews, showing that many woodworkers trust it for safety. However, its premium price point can be a drawback for some. That said, if you're serious about your woodworking and safety is a top priority, the investment is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a serious woodworker looking for maximum safety and control. Skip this one if you're just starting out and don't want to spend much up front. When it comes to safety features, this is top-notch for the cost. In conclusion, we've seen a variety of push blocks today, from the versatile Zebek to the highly adjustable Milescraft Grabber Pro. Each has its own unique benefits, with budget-friendly options like the Milescraft Safety Bundle and the Microjig GRR Ripper series offering exceptional safety features. Choose the one that best fits your needs. In conclusion, we've seen a variety of push blocks today, from the versatile Zebek to the highly adjustable Milescraft Grabber Pro. Each has its own unique benefits, with budget-friendly options like the Milescraft Safety Bundle and the Microjig GRR Ripper series offering exceptional safety features. Choose the one that best fits your needs.